Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Lord God Almighty, maker of the sky and the sea, so big in a power, yet you walk with me. Me small like the sand, still you hold me on. You lead me step by step, so patiently. Awesome is your power, meek are we. Bolster up with faith, make we eyes can see. We can't fight you, Lord, so we drop we pride. Your will be mine, me heart inside. Keep me in your light, keep me in your light, oh Lord. Keep me in your light, keep me in your light. Sometimes me wonder, think me strong, start straight up on me own. Pride in me chest like stone. But one little whisper from your voice, me bow down low. Say, Father, lead anywhere you go. Awesome is your power, meek are we. Bolster up with faith, make we eyes can see. We can't fight you, Lord, so we drop we pride. Your will be mine, me heart inside. Keep me in your light, keep me in your light. Yes, Lord. Keep me in your light, keep me in your light. We powerless against you, Jah. So we lay down every plan, every dream, every scheme in your hand. In your hand. If you say move, we moving. If you say wait, we stay. From morning right back to evening, you wait, you wait. Awesome is your power, meek are we. Bolster up with faith to make we eyes can see. We can't fight you, Lord, so we drop